BMW B58 inline-six cylinder engine can be found under the hood of many BMW cars and SUVs starting in 2016. The engine has all the bells and whistles like direct fuel injection, turbocharging, and variable valve lift. What does not get a lot of attention, however, is the cooling system. The B58 uses 3 separate cooling circuits and 3 pumps, all controlled by the DME, to manage temperatures efficiently. If there's a coolant leak under the intake manifold, there could be a few possible causes, but one of the most common failure points is the coolant hose connector behind the heat management module. The original part is made with plastic, and the connector is prone to leaking due to hydrolysis and heat cycles. These factors can attack the plastic at a polymer level, leaving the coolant hose connector brittle and prone to cracking and leaking. Want to learn more about hydrolysis and how it leads to failures like this? Check out our video where we break it all down in detail. In 2024, the CRP Automotive Innovation Council identified this as a pattern failure. To address this issue, CRP Automotive developed a solution and now offers upgraded Rein coolant hose metal connectors for those engines. They're made from durable aluminum, eliminating the weak points of the OE plastic design. The Rein connector is available in 2 versions. The CHU0940 version includes the upgraded aluminum connector and gasket, while the CHK0940 version also features a temperature sensor for easy installation. If you're replacing this connector, consider upgrading to an aluminum version. It eliminates the common weak points of plastic designs, helping you avoid repeated failures and keep your BMW B58 running smoothly. To stay up to date on products from Rein Automotive and the rest of the CRP brand lineup, join the Jumpstart team at crpautomotive.com/jumpstart. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.